Yorick's taking a very long time to get dressed, so I thought I'd talk about what he's wearing. You might notice he's wearing Viking pants at the moment, and they look very familiar. That's because they're the same pattern as our old Viking pants. We've just found this awesome new fabric, which is a cotton linen blend that looks fantastic, so we thought we would try it with a different material. They have the hemp leg wraps on them, which allows you to get the part on your calf tighter than you would without leg wraps. And they just do up with little hooks, basically. It's pretty easy to do. There you go. You'll also notice he's wearing a pretty cool hood. Yeah, can I have it? Yeah, mine now? This is based on a lot of other hoods we have. It's one of our more popular designs because we intended it to be an item that we can use as kind of like a raincoat. It's similar to the jacket he's wearing as well, that I'll talk about in a minute. So it has a thick canvas on it, which although it's not waterproof, it's very, very water resistant. And it's trimmed with suede. So if you're out and you're LARPing or you're at an SCA event and the weather gets bad, you can just put up your hood and you'll find yourself a lot drier than you would otherwise. It also has this great hand stitching detail on it, which just makes it look utterly fantastic. Previous models had a lot more leather on them, whereas this one, it doesn't have a front leather panel. We've just done it in canvas, and that makes the item more affordable, as well as making it just look a little bit simpler as well. It's not quite as fancy. Want your hood back? Should we stand up and look at your jacket? Yeah. So this is a new model of our old jacket. It is not a historical design. There's no proof that something like this actually existed, but at ArmStreet we feel that it could have existed if you just stretch your imagination a little bit. So it's based on a shirt from the Thorsberg's Pines. So it does up here at the side instead of just doing up at the front. It's made of that same water-resistant canvas that the hood is made out of. So it's quite thick. It's still lined with linen, so it's comfortable against your skin. But when the rain comes out, it's not going to be like linen and just get you wet right away. It has just one leather panel on it. Our old model used to have many more leather panels, whereas just like the hood, we decided that we should make something a little bit simpler, a little bit easier to wear. It has all of that same beautiful hand-finished detailing that you get on the hood as well. So when you wear it all together, it looks excellent, it looks authentic, and it's all nicely finished around the seams with suede as well. Ready to go?
Yeah.
All right.